Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app. So here, once you open up it, you can see this kind of interface. Here you can simply tap on add friend in order to add more friends. And you can add your friends by user also. For now, let me tap on find friends. Here tap on allow, again allow. So here firstly enter your name. Because I have recently created my account, so it is asking to set up. Tap on next, and here you can see a list of friends that is from my contact list. So add them, simply tap on add friends. Once you tap on it, it will send friend requests to all this contact. So once they accept this request, you will be friend with them. So in this way you can add friends on Discord. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.